And welcome back, everyone. We are starting it off with DXY on a weekly time frame, and as you can see, we have another day left basically for the close. It says 6 hours because of the early trading week, so be aware that we won't have like a full day tomorrow, if anything. So today's daily close is gonna be important until the new monthly open. Um, yeah, I totally forgot that we have no. It's going to be like a different market tomorrow. Maybe commodities will be open, but not the U.S. stock market. And yeah, and daily on Dixie, you can see that we're putting in that resistance. So closing the daily above 104 basically assumes that we have a continuation for upside, and that means downside potentially for Bitcoin and ETH. So that's basically all we can say about Dixie. Let's just quickly go to Bitcoin on a weekly. Weekly wise, you see the bullish engulfing. So this is a great close for a weekly on Bitcoin, and we can probably look to maybe test into that high next week. If you go to a lower time frame such as daily, you can see the volume is slowing down as we're getting to a top. So that's bearish divergence on volume. So test back onto support is very probable and not bearish. So coming back to 68 is not a bad thing. It's a buying opportunity as long as you're not closing underneath 68. You can look for sideways and above. So just be aware of that moving forward, that our 74,000 level is what we are trying to close above. And after that, you got all the other targets that we already measured out in our previous videos. So I'll just leave it like that for now, and we can look back after the monthly close, which is basically this weekend. Here is ETH, and you can see ETH is not as strong as Bitcoin. It's actually weaker, and we did not get a bullish engulfing yet on ETH. So maybe ETH is lagging the upward momentum, or maybe Bitcoin holders will take profit and rotate into ETH, and ETH will get some love as people take profit at Bitcoin from 74, 75K. So just keep that in mind if you are, um, you know, trying to accumulate this. The buy is good here. Volume is Um, yeah, it's nothing to brag about. So a little bit of concern is if the dailies can't get above 3680, then you'll be setting up a series of lower highs here, and then that's doji, and this bearish engulfing. This was a retest, and this retest is not making higher high, meaning that if we close like this today, the next one can open and start flushing to the downside. And that's what we were trying to avoid into the weekly close, because weekly close looks weak. But if we can close bullish engulfing above 3650, then next week we can look for continuation to 3800. So just keep that in mind. Locally, on the 4-hour time frame, we're sitting above support over here at 3440, and as long as we can hold above 3540, we can go test into 3650, and that's basically where our next level of resistance is, like 3650. If we can get 4-hour opening closes above that, then I'll be looking for us to get to that 3800 that we were speaking about on the daily level. So that's basically the gist of Bitcoin, ETH, and Dixie. Other than that, we were already looking at Tesla. Tesla was putting in its rounding bottom over here. Here we can turn on the indicators for this one. Near 177. So as long as we hold this 177 level, I'll be looking for us to come test into resistance around 197 to 200. And then once claiming this $200 level, I'll be looking for, my long-term target is around 280. So if you would like me to explain to you why, here's a volume profile. You can see that once we get above this 200, I'll be looking for us from 250 to 280, point of control 250, value area high is around 280, and this is on Tesla moving forward. It's already putting in higher lows, looking for upside continuation. That's basically what I was trying to say in the morning video, which went to shit because of OBS. But yes, now with this new recording software, you can see that what we're looking for is an accumulation here in this bullish triangle. And then from this bullish triangle, we would be looking for a breakout of resistance right over here around 200. And once we get that breakout, you can see us go into the next level of resistance over here around 200, which is where we broke down from in the first place. Once we get above this, you can see us over here at 350, 360 at the golden pocket from the low. So we have time, but be aware that if you are waiting for this trade, this is all the way over here in like we are in March. This is next year March. So you have about 12 months to let this trade mature, 1 year. So around December is when I would be looking to take some profit on this trade if you're taking this long from now. So be patient, don't rush. If you got this entry, the likelihood is that you're going to be rewarded for it in the long run. So just be patient and good things will come. Aside from that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. If you have any other assets you would like to cover, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And last but not least, if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join us on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.